Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you receive error on your iPhone when you try to send some message in your messenger and you just receive error, fail to send, so how you can fix it. So first thing, just try to close your messenger and open it again. So after, you can also just try to go to the settings and just check your internet connection. So just open Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also, you can do it with mobile data, just turn off and turn on again your mobile data. So if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so you can also just try to fix it in another way. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And also you can try the latest way, just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Messenger. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Messenger app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel if you like, and goodbye.